Rapper and reality TV celebrity Krishan Rock got into a violent public confrontation at a holiday celebration in Compton, California. The incident swiftly went viral and her ex-partner, rapper Blueface, issued a warning. According to reports, Krishan Rock appeared to engage with the local community and attend the Compton Christmas parade without security, which led to the altercation. Videos that are making the rounds online claim that when a woman in the crowd started filming Rock with her mobile, tensions increased. A heated confrontation ensued when Rock went over to the person and tried to lower the phone. The woman allegedly slapped Krishan Rock across the face a few moments later, escalating the incident. The slap set up a wild altercation in which many ladies joined in and surrounded Rock. Punches were thrown as Rock tried to defend herself, and the incident was captured on camera by witnesses. Although officials have not officially confirmed it, the women involved have been portrayed online as a suspected gang members. Krishan Rock responded to the brawl on social media after it happened, refuting reports that she initiated the altercation. She insisted that she only reacted after being physically attacked and claimed to have peacefully attended the march and been there for the kids. Additionally, Rock denied internet rumors that she was overpowered during the altercation and stated that she fled the scene unharmed. Blueface publicly responded to the footage shortly after it went viral by cautioning about the perils of misinterpreting Los Angeles street and gang culture. His remarks implied that, particularly in crowded public areas, circumstances like this can swiftly turn lethal when people are ignorant of local dynamics. Online comments to the incident were conflicting. Some social media users praised Rock's right to defend herself after being attacked, while others condemned her for getting into a dispute in public. Additionally, the altercation has rekindled debate about Rock's past viral moments and public issues. No official police statement has been issued as of now, and no arrests have been reported. As the videos continues to circulate and public debate remains intense, the incident shows the ongoing difficulties that come with fame, public scrutiny, and unresolved personal issues. While the larger story continues to develop online, Krishan Rock and Blueface have both handled the matter independently, each providing their own viewpoint. The attention is still on how this incident can affect Rock's public image and future endeavors, as well as whether the issue will lead to a change towards increased care in public appearances, even though no formal legal action has been established yet. Until further information becomes available, the altercation serves as another reminder of how easily public events can turn into viral issues, particularly when high-profile connections and personal histories are involved. Thanks for watching CNET News. Stay tuned for more updates and stories from around the world. See you next time.